My passion for engines probably comes from my stepfather. When I was a kid, he used to take me out, work on the blowers and stuff like that. He got me into the automotive side of it. That's why I first started with parts and everything. So I probably gave it to him.
My passion for engines comes from when I was 16. I had my first car, and then from there it was just like building and taking it apart and turning it up and putting it back together. And from there it was just nonstop, and it just kept going.
My passion for engines comes from, I guess, when I started in the automotive business. I worked at different car dealerships, and I got to see all the different types of vehicles, got to drive them, and I guess that's where it started from.
My passion from engines comes from my family. We had our own shop when I was growing up. We raced cars, motorcycles. If it had 2 wheels, 4 wheels, we made it faster. And that's just what I've been doing forever.
My passion for engines comes from, as far as I can remember since I was little, I've always liked all types of cars, from lowriders to race cars to donks. I like them all, but I never really quite understood the engine part of it. So ever since I started my career at Enginetech, I was able to learn and improve my knowledge on those engines. So just a learning curve from there.
My passion for engines comes ever since I was a child. I've always liked Hot Wheels. I was used to buy little cars that you have to build, mold up, paint, and all that. So that's where my passion comes from. And growing up, I started working on them, and been doing that ever since.
Passion for engines, where did that come from? This has to go back, and I would say I was 5 or 6 years old. My dad had a 1975, 76 Ford Thunderbird. And from there, I would say it just stuck to me. My dad worked in the industry with batteries. So that kind of stuck with me as I grew up, got older. Everybody had their cars. When I got to college, the same thing. It's just more vehicles. And then getting to work at Enginetech is you see engine parts all the time. Then at performance it does. And modifications, high performance, making it go faster. And who doesn't like engine? I mean, who doesn't like cars that go room room?